This match just got a lot more handsome.
Yeah, a man that's got good looks but a bad attitude.
Well, Saxton, guess which one of those matters more in life?
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing Legado del Fantasma from Monterrey, Mexico, weighing in at 205 pounds, Angel!
A man who will happily kick your teeth down your throat and then walk off with your girlfriend.
His view on romantic relationships may be questionable, but he is an incredible talent in ring.
Well, behind that smile are bad intentions for his opponent.
Well, here comes the powerhouse of the Hart Foundation.
And his opponent from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart!
A founding member of the Hart Foundation, multiple-time tag team champion, Hall of Famer, and father of Natalia.
Few hit harder than the Anvil.
One of the toughest men to ever grace the squared circle. They call it Anvil for a reason.
A true powerhouse of the game.
We'll kick things off with Angel, a real heartthrob here in WWE.
That he is, but every rose has its thorn, Cole. Angel's one of the heirs to the Garza wrestling dynasty. He's got more natural talent and competitive fire in his little finger than most superstars do in their entire body.
As long as he keeps his pants on, I'm inclined to agree.
Taking a look at the Anvil, Neidhart looks ready to go full medieval and deliver a brutal beatdown.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart was too crazy for pro football and survived training in the famous Hart Dungeon. His opponent should be very concerned for his well-being. Boom! And a big boot.
Very measured elbow drop. Uh-oh. I wouldn't be getting up if I were him.
Collar and elbow tie-up. Being driven to the ropes here. Good display of power. Timely counter by Anvil.
All tied up now. Losing some ground, getting their back against the ropes. He's just waiting for that perfect moment.
Taking off from the ropes. Angel's a superstar certainly isn't lacking in the confidence department. Corey, how do you think that overabundance of confidence could factor into this matchup?
Oh, I think you already know the answer, Cole. It could absolutely come back to bite Angel if he's not careful. Instead, he should focus on maintaining that aggressive mentality that's worked so well for him up to now. He'll have a real reason to be confident then if it wins him the match.
Already he's taken on some damage.
Yeah, this is the hostility Angel wanted to bring.
Angel showing his instinct.
Short clothesline.
And now here's the cover. And he gets the shoulder up before two.
Just kicking out at one takes a lot in a match like this.
Turns it around. Ooh, sent flying.
And just like that, we've kicked the tempo up a notch.
Crippling attack on the knee. Uh-oh. Oh, great wherewithal there.
Backdrop soup.
Oh, what's going on now?
You know exactly what's going on. He decided he wanted to show up right here and distract this superstar.
And he's able to fight Angel off.
Oh, what incredible power.
Wow, what a vertical suplex.
That's how you wear down your opponent.
Crank in the head.
Stomping. Ouch.
He's starting to look battered.
At this point in the match, you have to expect to be run down. Oh, man.
Heading to the outside now.
Big forearm.
And Anvil is taking control of this one.
Neidhart is doing a great job remaining engaged with the opposition.
Trying to debilitate the capability to stand.
And he gets set back into the ring.
Holy timed offense there. Using the elbow to escape the attack.
Anvil stumbling into the line of fire. Angel, double underhook. Wing clipper. Into the...
Right now, he is just fighting for his life. Power slam.
So much damage has already been done.
But I highly doubt anybody's going to throw in the towel, though.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop. He's got the shoulders down. This is it. Kicks out. He still has life.
And you got to think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time. Shutting that down with the back elbow. Uh-oh, double underhook. This is going to be nasty.
And driven down with a tiger drop.
Now Angel looking to end it here. Kicking out in time.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
And he's staggering to his feet, about to head right.
Angel with the wing clipper. Is it enough for Angel?
Here we go. Cover. 2. Finally, monumental victory.
Here is your winner, Angel!
And you can't ignore just how much the previous distraction shifted the tide of this match. Tried to stay vigilant the whole time, but it proved too much in the end.
Look, you have to celebrate the fact they won it all by themselves.
Were you watching the same match, Corey? They clearly had some assistance.
Okay, Saxton, and in basketball, does the person who throws the assist get the point? No, my point stands.
What?